Welcome, dear listeners, to another heartfelt episode. Tonight, something special is happening. I have a guest who is not just any storyteller, but my fiancée, Elora Rose.
And I must say, it's an honor to be here, Leo, especially because tonight's story is about love, waiting, and a promise beneath the same sky.
Yes, this is the story of Harry and Sophia, two souls who found each other under the moonlight but were destined to be apart. Harry and Sophia met on a cold December night at an old bookstore. He was looking for poetry, and she was searching for a lost piece of herself in words. Their hands brushed against the same book, Robert Frost's A Time to Talk.
It was a moment so ordinary, yet so extraordinary. Their love was quiet but deep, like a letter written but never sent.
But life had different plans. Harry had to leave for another country, chasing his dreams. Sophia couldn't follow, and so they made a promise.
Every full moon, no matter where we are, we'll look at the sky together. And if fate allows, one day, we'll stand under the same moon again.
Years passed. Life moved on, or at least it seemed so. They both saw the moon, but in different cities, under different skies.
Until one fateful night, when Sophia received a letter, no sender, just a single line.
Meet me where we first met, on the next full moon.
Leo, if you were Sophia, would you go? After years of silence?
I think love is about taking chances, but I'd be afraid. What if it's too late? What if he's changed?
What if love never left?
The night arrived. Sophia stood at the bookstore, heart racing. And then she saw him.
Harry was standing there, holding the same book they first touched, but he wasn't alone.
A little girl was holding his hand. Her curious eyes looked at Sophia, then at the book.
And then Harry spoke. Sophia, meet my daughter. Her name is Luna, because every full moon I waited for you.
Tears filled Sophia's eyes. She wasn't too late. Love had waited.
Because love, the kind that truly matters, doesn't fade with distance. It just waits for the right moment to find its way home.
So, dear listeners, what do you think? Would you wait for love beneath the same moon?
Or would you chase it before time runs out?
That's the beauty of love. It's never just one story. It's countless choices, endless possibilities. Until next time, this is Leo Valentine.
And Elora Rose, wishing you love, hope, and a sky full of promises.
And with that, we close tonight's chapter of love, longing, and promises beneath the same sky. But love stories never really end, do they? They live in the hearts of those who believe in them.
Exactly. And maybe somewhere out there, someone is looking at the moon right now, waiting for their own love story to unfold.
And if you're listening, maybe this is your sign to hold on, to take that chance, or to cherish what you already have.
Before we go, remember, love is not always about how long you wait, but about how true your heart stays.
That was beautifully said, Elora. And with that, dear listeners, it's time to say goodbye.
But not forever. We'll be back with more stories, more emotions, and more conversations that touch the soul.
Until then, take care, love deeply, and never stop believing in the magic of love.
Goodbye. And may your heart always find its way home.